Hi everybody, Cynthia here. I'm back to share a small haul that I purchased from Not2Shabby shop. I will post a link below this video if you guys would like to head over and check out Jamie's store. She has amazing stamps and other supplies in there as well. And I'm also going to share a card I made with one of the stamps. I did not do a tutorial on this because it's kind of similar to the last one I just uploaded. But I gotta tell you guys, oh my gosh, I got a bunch of these Darcy's Heart and Home stamp sets. So stinking cute. I love these. I bought 2 sets for more masculine type cards. This one here, let me put my glasses on, says, "No trout about it, you're a great dad, and you totally kick bass," which I thought was so sweet for like birthday cards and Father's Days, and then just to send them out just for the heck of it, you know. Love this fox fishing. So sweet. So I got that one. And then this one was hysterical. Well, I thought it was. It said, "Have a happy day just for the halibut." I love that. And then there's the fish. "You're awesome. It's time to celebrate your special day." Really, really sweet. And I made 2 cards with this stamp set. I love this stamp. I just think it's so stinking cute. And I didn't use markers for this one because I wanted to try my hand at like some watercoloring, which I'm still really practicing at. But I used dark chocolate dye ink and New Leaf. And these are from Paper Tray Ink. So I used those 2 dyes and my watercolor brush. And I just sat and really played around with it, and that's how those turned out. So kind of cute. One's lighter, one's darker. But like I said, this is very similar to the last card I just posted, which was this one, the thank you one. So I'm not going to do a tutorial on this one, but I did use this cute little fishing lure from a sticker I had in my stash, and then the papers I used are from this Gone Fishing page kit, and I purchased this a long time ago at Hobby Lobby. It's from the Paper Studio, and I like it because it has some masculine type papers, and I made some mini albums with that set. So and then I used some fishing netting that I purchased from Michael's a while ago. Just kind of layered that up, and then the inside I left blank. But this is an A2 size card, so I'm gonna send one out right away. And then this one I put one of the fishing lure stickers on white cardstock and like fussy cut it out. But that's how those turned out. So I love these stamps. They're so stinking cute. And so I got those, and then of course it has a seal on here and seal of approval. Just really sweet. And oh my gosh, these toucans are, I just love them. It says, "Two can do it, and just a little toucan of my appreciation, and 2 can never have too many jelly beans." There's a cute little Easter basket there. It's really, really sweet. And then I got these 2 sets. My husband's a teacher, and I work at a school and as a para, and I do a lot of teacher appreciation type things for the people I work with. And so I thought this stamp was really perfect with the owl and the glasses and the books. I love the books because of course I'm a bookworm. You hear my cat Watson wants to get in here. Then there's a little apple. And this one's really pretty. It says, "It takes a big heart to shape young minds." And then "Thank you. Who is the best teacher?" And then "you." Really sweet. And then this one is adorable. Love this. So cute. It says, I cannot express how much you mean to me." And then "Teacher, thanks a latte." There's a mom sticker there. And "Your class was a latte fun." So those are the stamp sets I got. And then I also ordered and downloaded some of her Digis. So my husband put them on a file so I can print out a bunch at one time. But I got her cupcake digi that I'm going to color in. This one, oh my gosh, how cute is that? Marshmallow hot tub. That's so sweet. I cannot wait to try that. And then her latest digi, the watermelon popsicle. Adorable. I just love this. I cannot wait to color these up and make some cards and stuff from that. And then I ordered her cup, like the latte cup, I think it is. And I already started coloring it. And the marshmallow I watercolored with fine linen dye ink from Paper Tray ink. And then if you could see, there's a glisten in that. I just sprayed some of my glimmer mist on the mat, and then I watercolored glimmer mist on it. So that was kind of fun to play around with. And I did color one up. I'm not really happy with it, but I was just playing around, seeing what I could do. I'm still going to use it. I'm not going to let it go to waste, and I'll put like a stamp or something in there. But originally I got these because I also ordered her donut digi, which is absolutely adorable. So I thought it would be cute to put a donut right next to the cup, like kind of overlay them, and then make a card out of that. So I ordered that, and then my husband drew me up some to-go cups. So I'm going to play around with these and see what I can do with those. But yeah, I've been using a lot of his artwork for a long time to play around with, and her digis are amazing. I just wanted to share my small haul and the card I made with you. And if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. Take care and have a great day. Happy crafting.